Finally back with another recap, guys. By the way, if you're not like wondering, if you're wondering why I wasn't posting for the past 2 weeks trade recap, that was because like I had one of the worst losing streak for the past 2 weeks, and to be honest, I kind of felt if I was gonna post trade recap, bro, that was like super stupid. That's why I didn't post it any. But of course, I was streaming on TikTok that in front of everybody. But finally, out of the losing streak, had a banger trade today, which was, you guys can see, up 1.5k here and then up 1.5k here on two top sub accounts, by the way. So yeah, let's just have a trade recap. I'm not gonna do the trade recap here, bro. Let's just go do it on TradingView because it's much better. So look at this. Let's just be here. Coming into the day, bro. You guys can see clearly market open. I was gonna be bearish first. My bias was super bearish all day unless we took out these lows. So I wanted this high and this high to be taken out and then reverse lower. But you guys can see when market opened, we did not do that. And NQ came lower, took out this low and this low and this low. And then the trade that I took was basically on ES, by the way. And if you keep in mind that on ES, like you guys can see when on the pre-market, we had already taken out this good draws on liquidity to the downside. And yeah, that was like it, bro. And price were like right over here. When ES didn't even take out this high and this high when market opened. Like, look, this is when session opened. It didn't even take out these high up here, and then started reversing lower. So when it started reversing lower, you guys can see NQ came all the way down and took out like this low, and even this low, and we made a bullish SMT. You could see like a 15-minute bullish SMT off of this to this or this to this, and then we made lower low, lower high over here. Easy, simple as that. And I was looking for long. So you guys can see that I love to take my trades off of the 5-minute break of structure, but there was none. And yeah, so I had to take it off of the 3-minute. But you guys can see clearly. Let's go over here on this on the 1-minute time frame. Since the 3-minute and the 1-minute time frame wasn't too clear, sorry, 3-minute and 5-minute wasn't too clear, I had to take it off of like go on the 1-minute chart, which I usually don't. We had this 1-minute inverse bearish gap over here. Price was coming into it, respecting it too much. And look how this candle closed over here. When this candle closed, that was a strong indicator to me that price wants to go higher. And at the same time, we broke 3-minute structure to the upside. And then boom, when this candle came a bit lower, I entered long. And I was just kind of like targeting this high over here and this high. And yeah, also this high. And we just hit TP in few minutes. You guys can clearly see we hit full TP, and I kind of closed all of my position over there. I was playing the trailing stop loss. I thought price wants to go higher, but basically I got stopped out. And yeah, kind of like this was today's trade. Simple, easy. But yeah, overall I was kind of like bearish, bro. I wanted these lows to be taken out, but now I do think price should start reversing here since we took out this good draws on liquidity that I actually like wanted it to be taken out on London session, but London failed and New York is taking out that. I don't know, bro. Maybe a swing trade, short swing trade could be good right now, but I'm not gonna look for another trade. Already hit full TP, and yeah, by the way, guys, if you guys are not using Tradoro, it's literally the best journaling tool over here. I would 100% recommend that you guys do it. I will put link in description. It's literally the best journaling tool like out there, super cheap. You guys can see for only $6.99 a month and then a $69 dollar for a whole year. This is super good, bro. Let me just kind of like log in and show you guys how it looks like. Let me just turn off that. So I'm in my dashboard right now. This is how it looks like, by the way. You guys can see you have your own clear dashboard over here. So over here, you guys can see this is the journal tool. You have your P&L calendar, and you can add as many Proform account as you want over here, and then you can do the copy trading and all that. So we have journal over here. This is the most important part. This is where you're gonna start journaling. So once you click on journal, bro, you can like put basic info, point of interest, bullish, bearish, whatever you had to do, execution, why you like execution model, what was it off of. So if you're still using notebook, bro, I think if you are now willing to invest at least $6 a month to get profitable, then you deserve to be unprofitable, to be honest with you. And yeah, you have your own outcome. You just select the account, you just put the risk ratio, P&L percentage, was it a win or loss, and then A plus setup or B. And then on execution, you guys can see you can even add images, videos of your chart, psychology, you can write it over here. The link will be in the description. This is not the only section here. You can add your own trading confluences. This is a checklist. So all of your confluences gets hit. This is gonna give you like if you should take a trade or not. Then we have fund view over here where you can track all of your profit like payouts and expenses. This is super important part too. So a lot of traders they don't track their like payout or their expenses, how much they're spending on each prop firm. 100% recommend, bro. This tool is 100% worth it. It's like $6 a month, which is nothing. And yeah, if you could like get a lifetime for $69 for the whole year, sorry for the whole year, it's like, bro, it's 100% worth it. And make sure to join the Discord too, completely free by the way. I will be doing some giveaways on Discord, and I will be doing giveaways every single week. So make sure you are in the Discord too. And also, I will put platform discount codes in the description too.